Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Amazon Alexa routines in smart home history, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Amazon Alexa routines in smart home history, begin by opening the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, sign in to your Amazon account if prompted. Navigate to the More section at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find Account Settings. Tap on Account Settings to access more options. Next, locate and select Voice History. This section displays a detailed history of your voice interactions with Alexa. To save this history, you will need to utilize the Export feature. Look for the Export option at the top right corner of the Voice History page. Select this option to initiate the process of downloading your voice history. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the export process. Once you have your voice history, it's time to back up your routines. Return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap on Routines from the main menu. Here, you will see a list of all your configured routines. To back up these routines, take screenshots of each routine individually. Open each routine, and then take a screenshot of its settings and actions. Make sure to capture all relevant details for future reference. Alternatively, you can manually write down each routine's details. Be sure to include the name, triggers, and actions for every routine. After capturing your voice history and routines, consider using a cloud service for storage. You can use services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to save your exported voice history and screenshots. Upload the files from your device to the chosen cloud service. This ensures access from any device and protects against data loss. Lastly, remember to check your backups periodically. This will help you keep your smart home configurations up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your Amazon Alexa routines in smart home history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.